in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view how large your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer's hard drive is. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select about. And then scrolling down again, underneath related, select where it says storage. And then it should have your storage up here at the top, how large your hard drive is. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.